Machine learning is transforming industries at an unprecedented pace. From healthcare to finance, its impact is undeniable. But why is it crucial for us to understand it now? Let's explore the reasons together. Machine learning is a subset of artificial intelligence that enables systems to learn from data. Unlike traditional programming, it allows computers to improve their performance without explicit instructions. It's important to differentiate between AI, machine learning, and deep learning. AI is the broad concept. Machine learning is one method within it, and deep learning is a more specialized technique within machine learning. There are three main types of machine learning: supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement learning. Each type has unique applications and methodologies. Supervised learning uses labeled data to train models, while unsupervised learning finds patterns in unlabeled data. Reinforcement learning, on the other hand, learns by interacting with its environment. Decision trees are popular algorithms that split data into branches to make predictions. They're intuitive and easy to visualize. Neural networks mimic the human brain, using layers of nodes to process data. They're powerful for complex tasks like image and speech recognition. In healthcare, machine learning predicts patient outcomes and personalizes treatments. It's revolutionizing diagnostics and improving patient care. In finance, algorithms detect fraud and automate trading. Machine learning enhances decision-making and risk management, impacting our daily financial interactions. For beginners, tools like Python and libraries such as TensorFlow are essential. Online courses and tutorials provide a solid foundation to start your journey. Starting your first project can be daunting, but focus on a simple problem. Experiment, learn from mistakes, and gradually tackle more complex challenges. Ethical considerations in machine learning are crucial. Bias in data can lead to unfair outcomes, so it's vital to ensure fairness and transparency. Common challenges include data quality and model interpretability. Overcoming these requires careful planning and continuous learning. We've covered the basics of machine learning, its types, and applications. Understanding these concepts is your first step towards mastering this transformative technology. By diving into machine learning, you'll open doors to innovation and career opportunities. Start your learning journey today and be part of the future. Take action now. Explore online resources, join communities, and begin experimenting with projects. Together, we can harness the power of machine learning